mandate, and healthcare workers may not be off the hook when it comes to getting vaccinated, despite Shasta County supervisors disagreeing with the governor's mandate. New at 5:30, Action News Now reporter Jordan Henry shows us how the county resolution impacts private hospitals and their employees.
The state is requiring that all healthcare workers must be fully vaccinated by September 30th. It's creating a lot of controversy for Shasta County hospitals. Robert Folden is the chief operating officer at Mercy Medical. He says some of his staff would rather quit than get vaccinated.
It behooves us to continue to work with people. So again, the exemption process is there. We're a large enough employer that there are some people who have said they're not going to request an exemption, and they have no intention of getting the vaccine. So again, we'll go through that same discernment process on an individualized basis.
Folden says he will work with some staff if they can't get the vaccine, but plan to do it in the future.
Asked folks to have that done by October 1, but the reality is there has to be a certain amount of discernment. So it's not a hard and fast rule that on October 1 folks are not gonna be able to work. It'll be dependent, situation dependent.
Today, Shasta County health officials have announced 203 new COVID cases, making the grand total 1,000 active cases in Shasta County.
Well, I have been vaccinated, so that is kind of my opinion. I'm okay with it. I just feel that protection is there, and I took advantage of it. And I believe the vaccines are helpful.
Is it kind of scary being a first responder and then COVID happening and then the Delta variant?
No, it's just another avenue that, there's a disease process out there, and, we have to deal with what we come across.
As for booster shots being available in Shasta County, public health officials have to meet with the FDA to discuss when that can be available. Next Friday. In Redding, Jordan Henry, Action News Now, coverage you could count on.
Shasta County has been hit very hard this week as 89 people are now in the hospital, 24 in the ICU, bringing that grand total to more than 1,000 active cases in Shasta County alone.